Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets. Stay with us. Raw silk color, Persian blue color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, emerald green color, cool gray color, black color, yellow color, geranium color, mint blue color, lavender color, light violet color. First we're using the color of lavender, writing the alphabet of A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, geranium color, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, cool gray color, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.